What's up guys, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video we are at CBS and I'm gonna be giving you an answer to a question, which is, can you get a surround sound when watching CBS? So make sure to stay until the end of the video. But before we move on, it would mean a lot if you subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell on. So without any further ado, let's jump straight to the topic. So, can you or can you not get surround sound when watching CBS? So, unfortunately, no. Neither premium audio, such as surround sound, nor premium video are supported for free streaming. However, both are supported with Paramount Plus. So, if you don't know what Paramount Plus is, Paramount Plus, basically CBS has all access with Paramount Plus, an expansion of CBS All Access as you knew it, but with even more content and features. Paramount Plus includes tens of thousands of episodes and movies from CBS, Comedy Central, MTV, BET, Nickelodeon, Paramount Pictures, and so on and so forth. Their previous originals, including hits like The Good Fight, Star Trek, Discovery, The Twilight Zone, and The Stand, are also included. Brand new originals and exclusive content such as Camp Corral and the new SpongeBob SquarePants. And of course, we are having live sport shows and news with your local CBS station, the new streaming, family friendly new and classic series, and so on and so forth. And the topic in today's question, you also get premium sound options and premium video options. So guys, overall that's it about can you or can you not get surround sound with CBS. Thank you so much for watching and see you in our future videos. Goodbye.